Hello guys, come with me, make a voice over my charming, handsome, sexy husband making a quota. First things he did, he made a combination of his favorite sauces that taste delicious. All together, he put in the plate and then he mixed them. When he was done mixing them, he put them on the side and he took the bread. I think this kind of food was called a quota because it is made of out of a quota bread. The next thing he did is to remove the inside of the bread off so that we can add stuff on the outside. He then prepared the sausages. He cut them into halves to be ready for cooking, and then eggs. Oh my God, one thing about my husband, he cooks with love. The oil was already boiling. He just added his fries on the oil, and then when they were crispy, he removed them. When the fries were ready, he started frying his sausages and his bacon. He made sure they're all browny both sides before he added his cheese. Next thing, he added cheese on top of the sausages, and then he let it melt a little bit, and then he put it on the side to rest. Then he cooked his eggs. When they were ready, he started making his quota. First he added cucumber and then onion and then his chips. Now he added his delicious sauce on top of the fries. Then he added his sausage with cheese. Then he added bacon and sauce because why not? Then he added his eggs. Oh my God, this quota was delicious. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.